Welcome back to my channel, guys, and you know it's Candy. So today I'm using coconuts. Before they were like that, they were like this, so you have to chop them out and get them like this. Yes, guys, and I'm just shaking them. Some of them have water. Because I'm making coconut oil, it's best to use the really dried ones. So yes, I try to get the dried ones instead of the ones that you can use to cook. Well, this one I will be using to cook. Listen, as I said before, this one has water in it, so I'm going to take out the water. I'm using the back of the knife to open the coconut. You can use anything that you have. You can use a machete, you can hit it on a hard surface or anything. But yes, and now I'm putting the knife through to get a part where you can open to get the coconut. There's an eye in the coconut, but since this was already partially broken, I just used the knife and cut a part open to get the water out. So there, the water is coming out, and I'm telling you, the water is so good and it is good for you. So drink coconut water. There is the eye where you can open to get the water. This one also has water, so we're just going to get the water from the eye. Now I'm continuing to open the coconut because I finished get the water out of it. So now it's time to open and ox out the meat from the coconut. So there you go. Yes, and I'm not going to be using this one. I'm going to use this one for Sunday dinner. So I'm showing you where you should take it out from. So the sides you should take the coconut meat from. You ox them out. So now I have all the coconuts and I'm washing them. Yes, you need to give them a good wash because coconuts are dirty. So you need to wash them properly. And for this, I am going to blend them instead of grate, but I think that grate is better, but it takes a longer time. So guys, now I'm just going to cut up the coconuts. You can use a cutting board to cut the coconuts. So all you need is a knife, the coconut, and a container to put it in, and a cutting board if you're using a cutting board. But I'm just using my hand because I think this is easier and simpler. Cutting up the coconut makes it easy for the blender. So if you're grating, you just grate and juice it, but the coconut cannot go whole in the blender. The blender will be destroyed. So I'm finished, and this almost filled the container, and this is the grating method. Yes, guys. So guys, I turned the camera the other way because you guys wouldn't see what I was doing if it was the correct way. So bear with that, please. And I'm just putting some coconut in the blender and some water. I'm not going to be using a lot of water because I don't want to stretch it too much. It's basically just the coconut oil you're getting from it, so you don't need a lot. So this is the amount of water that I'm using, so it will be thick and rich. Now it's time to cover and start blending. So there it is, blending until you feel like you're ready to stop it. Then you stop and you juice it, and you juice it with a strainer, of course, so that all the trash won't get in the other container you're using. So now guys, I'm finished blending this one. So I have my strainer, a different container. So now I'm taking the top part of the blender off, and now I'm going to strain it. Guys, I'm going to give it a second strain because everything is not going to strain one time, and sometimes trash just get down in it some way somehow. So I'm doing a second strain, and I'm going to put that trash in the blender and give it one more blend with a smaller portion of water. I just continued the process of blending until all the coconut that I cut was finished. So that's all I did. So guys, this is the coconut trash, and you can eat this with sugar if you want. Yes, you can eat it with sugar. So guys, this is when I just put the coconut on, and this now is about 1 hour and 30 minutes. It is boiling down. Yes guys, it is boiling down, and now we have like 2.5 hours. So guys, it's finished now. You can see the oil at the top and the custard is at the bottom, so you can just strain it off, or just put it in a container. I put it in a container. That's how it looks when it is finished fully. So I put it in this pot, let it cool, and then I'm going to strain it into my container that I have. And there you have your coconut oil, guys. Thank you all for watching. If you have reached this far of the video, guys, and you can use it in your hair, please check out my wash and go video. Also guys, please go and follow Destiny_Affairs on Instagram. The link to the Instagram page will be in the description. Thank you all for watching, guys.